Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title, we're just going to do a business products haul of stuff that I got for my business and some personal things that I got for myself. I think some of it's kind of business and I can use for personal. Anyway, I know it's been a couple of weeks since I've done a video, but I just haven't been feeling well at all. And the winter, if you guys have been here with me forever, you know that the winter time is horrible for me anyway. Throw in the chemo and it just makes life hard. Yeah, I have this weird thing going on, but I'll talk about it on my Nika's Life channel probably later this week. But before we get into this video, if you are not subscribed to this channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you like the video if you like it, and if you want to follow me on social media, all of that is linked in the description, as well as the link to my shop and my Amazon, which we'll get into later. So let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you is this thing that I have in my hand. I just grabbed it. It was the last thing I grabbed to put in the haul, so I'm just going to show you it. But it's a little lint grabber thing. Let me move my hair out of the way. It's a lint grabber, and it's so awesome, and it helps me out so much because of it. And then you can see the lints on there, and then you just do like that, and the lint will go in here, as you can see. This lint is from this weekend. This is not all the lint I just got off my shirt, but yeah, cool little product. I got this from Shein. It was not that expensive at all. So this came from Shein, guys. I've been cutting satin fabric for scrunchies. These are available on my website, by the way. This is Brandy. Introducing Brandy. I call it Brandy because the color is wine. So Brandy wine, you know. I know it's lame. Anyway, these are available for purchase on my website. Anyway, the next thing, since this is already out of the thing, Greg bought me this yesterday. It's a heat gun. It's gonna change things for me dramatically, so I'm so happy about that. So I'll show you the Amazon stuff first, and then we'll get into the stuff I got from Etsy, and then some stuff I got from Shein. So the Amazon stuff I will make sure to link in the description or put in my Amazon shop. That way you guys can find them easier. Just look in the probably it would be in the what's in my office board, so just click on that one and they'll be linked in there. So yeah, let me show you. So I have some other stuff coming from Amazon too, some packaging. It just hasn't come yet. It was supposed to come yesterday, but it got delayed and it said it won't be here until tomorrow, so we'll see. But one of the biggest things that I've been wanting, I've been using my regular weight scale to measure stuff, like when I send out my tutus and things like that. I've been using the regular weight scale, but I think I've been spending too much, so I bought this. This is the cable. I bought this from Amazon. I think this one was either $19.99 or $17.99, which is pretty good. And this one weighs up to 50 pounds. So I'm going to be using my own packaging instead of shipping flat rate. I'll still ship some things out flat rate using the post office, but it just seems so expensive sometimes, especially when I'm only shipping like maybe a shirt or like hair bows or something like that. It costs way too much. So with the weight scale, that'll help me get the right postage and I'm not overpaying like I've been doing. So these are for shirts and any like big orders that I got. They're not as soft as I would like them. They kind of feel like what do you call that? Dividers that you use on like a binder. That's kind of what they feel like, and that's kind of what they look like. But it's a, you know, self-closing thing. It'll work for now until I find something better. You know, it's kind of hard when you're buying stuff online. You're not getting it from a retail store, so you can't feel them. You don't know how it is. But it's cool, and it's clear, so I can put my business stickers on it and things like that. So yeah, these I got off Amazon. I can't remember how much I paid for them. I think it was like, it's 100 in the pack, and I want to say it was either $9.99 or $12.99 for 100 of these, and this is the 9x12 size. So they have different sizes too and cheaper prices. This, my loves, is sticker paper. You guys know from the last couple of videos that I did, I've been making my own stickers and my own like business things that I send out, care cards and things like that. So I'm going to start making my own thank you cards, because I just have a feeling like the I mean, not thank you cards, but thank you stickers and handmade stickers. I want to make my own. I want my own design. I love the ones that I got from Walmart that say handmade by, and then I sign my name. And I do that for everything that I ship out. I put the sticker on and I actually sign my name. It's not print like I did on my scrunchie cards. That's print. That's not my signature. But I want to start making my own stickers. So I bought the sticker paper from Amazon. Again, it's 100 pieces of paper in here, and I paid, I can't remember, guys. I can't remember how much I paid for this. I want to say between $12.99 and up, but I can't remember. But it will be linked in the description when I go back into my order. And you know what? Where's my phone? I'll find it before the video is over and tell you how much I paid for that sticker paper. Okay, so I have a lot more stuff coming from Etsy. But this is just a few things that I got from Etsy. So I'm going to show you this stuff right now. Okay, so this is, it's not my bra, my hair. Oh, that's my hair. Okay, sorry. I'm like so off today. Anyway, I got this elastic. This was a 100-yard roll I got for $12.99. Then I realized Amazon had it for $10.99, and I should have known that, because when I got the elastic for the mask I was making, it was only like $10.99 for a 100-yard roll. But this is a 1/4 inch, and I use this for my scrunchies. So I got this. If anything you see that I got from Etsy and you want to know like the shop, just let me know and I will link it, or I will send it to you. I'll try to remember. I don't always remember, but some of the stuff I had, they had their own personal like stickers on it, so that can pretty much show you which shop to look for on Etsy. So yeah. So these nail stickers I bought is not business related. Like I said, I have some personal things. I bought some from Shein. I love them, but they're vinyl, so sometimes they wouldn't stick in certain places on my nails, and then when you took them off, it was like a sticker just kind of stuck to your nail bed, and it was kind of hard to get off. So even though I love them and they were only $1, you get what you pay for, right? So I found this shop on Etsy. Her name is Raina Rose. Very kind. She thanked me after I placed the order, and it was really nice. So I'm not going to take them all out of the pack because, like I said, my fingers really hurt. And yeah, so you get in this pack, you get the alcohol pad, they give you a dry wipe, and the nail file, and also with the what do you call these, nail polish strips. And these are actually made with actual nail polish, unlike the things I got from Etsy, I mean from Shein, which were vinyl. So I'm going to show you real close so you guys can kind of see the design in there. And these were really greatly priced, guys. And she has so many different like designs and things like that. I'm trying, is that reflection? This is a really like dainty kind of color, and it has like little butterflies in it, if you guys can see that. And then this is a really pretty color too. And then on the back it shows you how to use them, which I thought was great. You know, I know how to use them, but you know, some people may not. So the next thing I got is from a little shop on Etsy called The Nerdy Birdie. And I just got a few things from there. Sorry, I got some so I got some mica powders in silver, gold, It looks a little bit more orange than gold, but we'll see when I start using it. And also purple. I'm going to get some more at a later date, but I only ordered a few because I watched this video on YouTube, and it basically said that the mica powders are essentially the same thing they use for eyeshadow, so you can just use eyeshadow. Or I'm so excited. Let me take them out of the pack. You see that with her sticker? I love that. But I have these silicone molds. I always start with things that I want to make for inside my home, and then if I like it enough and I'm good at it, then I start to sell it. But I got a small one and a large one, silicone molds to make resin crafts, and I got these molds feel so nice. Also pop socket molds, so I can make my own pop sockets, because I do get like really picky with things and I get really cheap. Also, if you guys have been following me, you know that I'm super cheap. But yeah, so I got my receipt along with her business card, which is really nice, and her thank you card. So the Nerdy Birdie is where I got that stuff from, on Etsy. So now I'm about to show you the stuff I got from Shein, which is a lot. Well, not a lot, but it's a decent amount of stuff. Now, so this is one of the pop sockets I ordered, and I ordered a few of them because I don't know which ones I'm going to keep for myself and which one I'm going to give to my daughter, who, by the way, starts modeling school this week. So can you guys see that? I just really don't want to take stuff out of the pack. I'm just kind of lazy today, guys. I'm sorry. And that's a heart one. So I got some more. If you've ordered anything from me, like the tutus or anything, hair bows, I've been starting to put in handmade tags. And so I just used this ribbon. I have pink, and this is like a ivory, and it just says handmade. So I put those along on some of my hair bows that I make and my tutus, which you can find. I do sell on Etsy because I know it's people that like to purchase from Etsy, and I do have my own personal website. So both of those will be linked in the description, so you can check out my shop and you can check out Etsy, which pretty much has the same thing. So I have more molds. These are like paw print molds. I bought 2 of those. They're really decently priced on Shein, as opposed to finding them like on Amazon or Etsy. And so I got more molds. These ones were bigger than I expected, and I was going to make keychains with these, but they're way too big. So coasters maybe, I don't know. And this one is the alphabet mold. Smells a little weird, but it's silicone, so what do you expect? So there we have that. I bought these brushes for my daughter because she needs them for her modeling school. This is a nail rotary detail carver. It was in the nail section, but I could probably use this for like stuff in my shop too, so I don't know. Let's open it. Yeah, I don't think I'll be using these on my nails. This stuff looks more industrial to me than... Oh, it's 2 sides. I'm retarded. Okay, so there we go. And then this is what the thing looks like. Then I bought this cell phone stand thing. I have to put it together apparently. But like when I'm doing a video on my phone, or I just want to set my phone down. I do have another like 2 or 3 phone tripod things, but that only works when I'm doing like stuff that I need close up. Okay, so I have these O-rings for keychains when I make them. Some thank you bags. These were $100. I think I paid like $2 or $3 for 100 of these, or is it 50? It normally says, I don't know, but that's what this is. And then I have this foil stuff in copper, gold, and silver. I got 2 of these. I got this little stir thing. It's like a you know, you use when you're baking or mixing, but I'll be using this for my resin. I got that tip off of TikTok. I needed some more of these tweezer things, so I got some more of those. And then I got this little set here. It has like glitters in them, different glitters. It's smaller than what I thought, but I bought 2 more, so those should be coming soon. So yeah, that's everything that I have right now. Like I said, you can, I will link a lot of this in the description. For that shop that I got that stuff from on Etsy, again, it's the Nerdy Birdie. Anything that I have, if you have any questions and you want to know the links to specific things from Shein, because it's just too much for me to link. But yeah, the last stuff I showed you all came from Shein. And again, I'll put the Amazon stuff in a in my Amazon shop, so just click on the business or my office supplies and they will be there. So if you have any questions about anything, just let me know. Again, if you are not subscribed, brain freeze, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, like this video if you liked it. All of my social media is linked in the description, and I will see you next time. Bye.